All right, time for some birthdays on this fine Monday morning in the 4 states, and we begin in Girard with Hunter Cobb, turning 4 years old, and this comes with love from Mom, Dad, Sis, Grandma, and Papa Richard. Happy birthday, Hunter.
Turning 6, also in Girard, Brecken Beasley. Happy birthday, Brecken.
And we've also got Riker Conrad Johnson, turning 6 in Columbus. A very happy birthday to you, Riker.
And it's a Boogney birthday. Reed Boogney celebrating number 9 this year. Hope you have a wonderful day.
And we've got Rush Newton in Fort Scott with what appears to be a gigantic goldfish, but I'm certain that's not what that is. An excellent catch there. It's a red snapper. Red snapper. I don't do a lot of fishing, I'm sorry. But Rush, excellent catch there. I hope you have a fantastic 12th birthday in Fort Scott, and I hope you get to do a little more fishing.
Yeah, Chris, red snapper tastes a lot better than goldfish.
I don't doubt it, and it seems to be much larger than goldfish.
Yes, for sure. All right, Jaden Red is celebrating birthday number 14 this morning. Jaden is in Pittsburgh with love from Mom, Dad, and Caleb.
And we've got Brock Ross celebrating birthday number 15 in Riverton. And this comes with love from Nana and Jim. Happy birthday, Brock.
Gabrielle Richards turning 21 years old this year. Great picture there of Gabrielle.
And we've got Rihanna Dupree celebrating birthday number 34 in Webb City. Happy birthday to you, Rihanna.
Jason Ramey celebrating birthday number 43 in Fredonia.
And Dale Bogner turning 65 in Parsons. Happy birthday, Dale.
And in Joplin, turning 92 years old this year, Albert Jenkins.
We've also got that's a great photo, and Albert, keep on trucking, bud. We've also got Sandra Dietz celebrating a birthday in Pittsburgh. It's one of graphic artist Will York's aunts, so a very happy birthday to you, Sandra.
And Mike Carr in Girard. Happy birthday to Mike.
And our birthday list continues with Kelly Krumzik in Frontenac, Lindsay Smith in Frontenac, and Hayden Pyle in, you guessed it, Frontenac, all celebrating birthdays today.
Parties in the neck. Yep. Sherry Thompson is celebrating a birthday in Pittsburgh. Sharon Starr is celebrating in Girard, and birthday wishes also going out to Tony Papish.
And we wrap up our birthday list with Kennedy O'Brien turning 5 years old in Fort Scott, and Chris Loftus turning 36 in Webb City. And Chris, this comes with love from Brittany, Diana, Dimitri, and Evelyn. Happy birthday to you all. Now remember, if you've got a birthday, Tanya tells you how to get it here.
That's right. You can email them to us. Super simple, birthdays with an S at KOAMTV.com or birthdays at KOAMNewsNow.com.
And while you're at our website checking out the latest news, weather, sports, and everything in between, make sure you take time to sign up for the KOAM Birthday Club. With the Birthday Club, you get some amazing deals from local businesses, and you get a nice little message from us on your birthday. So make sure you go to KOAMNewsNow.com, sign up for that Birthday Club today.